campus in the fall of 2014, you might encounter 4 projects that are currently under construction. Heavner Hall on the northeast corner of campus is a College of Business project.
It's really more about creating a home where you don't just go to class and leave. You go to class, and then in between classes you break into study groups and work on stuff. Maybe you grab some lunch, maybe you check email, maybe you have a student study group meeting or an organizational meeting, and then you go to some more classes, all in the same building, OneStop Shopping. This is really the new gateway to campus. As part of the project, we're not just building a building, we completely redid what's essentially a city block.
The Herald Medical Education Building is closer to the Health Science Center, and it's a College of Medicine building.
We're going to get to bring everybody into one building now. Student affairs, financial aid, the clinical skills, the simulation, and most other classrooms will now all be kind of brought into one facility.
The Reitz Union expansion, you will obviously see, it's in the core of campus.
This 120,000-foot expansion and renovation of over 60,000 square feet are going to add the square footage that students need for all of their services. It is an enormous project that evolves and takes shape week after week after week. So follow the progress of the construction. We're going to be asking for a lot of input and a lot of involvement over the course of the finishing of these projects, and who knows, the idea that you might suggest might just come reality.
The other building that you might encounter currently under renovation is Cypress Hall.
The interesting thing about Cypress Hall is there are very few like it in the United States. We're including amenities for enhanced mobility disabilities for students.
And I hope you get to encounter some renovations in the new OConnell Center facility that's being planned right now. It's a huge renovation that will tear out all the stadium seating, basketball courts in the core of that building and rebuild them all with new, more luxurious stadium-type seating.
You're putting something tangible onto and into a place you care about. It's going to affect lives. It's going to create better people, better students, a better environment.
And when you cut the ribbon and the door is open and students walk in and say, hey, I suggested that they put that gator head in the railing, and it's there, and you see the excitement on their face because it's going to be there for perpetuity, that makes it all the more exciting.